It feels like meme coins are alive again, and that is thanks to one chain and one chain in specific, none other than Robinhood. If you guys have been living under a rock for the last couple days, basically, Robinhood has launched its own layer 2 that's literally built on top of Ethereum. And this is huge because it reminds me of the days in 2025 when base meme coins were coming out left, right, and center and running hard. But with Robinhood, we're seeing some pretty good volume, and a lot of these cryptos running to 10, 20, even 100, $200 million market cap. I'm super excited to bring you guys this video, guys. By no means is any of this financial advice or am I associated with any of these projects, but these are the 3 best Robinhood meme coins that you could get into right now, in my humble opinion. Now, with that being said, I hope you guys are having a beautiful Sunday. God bless all you guys. Let's get into today's video. Now, boom, let's take a look over here. There's some pretty cool stuff that's been happening. Robinhood chain is now the number 2 DEX by 24-hour volume, processing more volume than BNB chain, Polygon, and Hyperliquid combined. It is huge right now, guys. Okay, Robinhood is taking up so much mind share, and it's only a matter of time before this thing flips Solana. That is going to be insane. Robinhood chain meme coins have now surpassed $244 million in total market cap, up 33% today, guys. This is July 12th. I don't know if you guys have been in the markets recently, but there's been so many meme coin opportunities within the last 24 hours to the last 78 hours, and I don't want you guys to miss out on those. We literally called one inside of my Discord the other day that has already gone up over 200%. Listen, you need to be a part of my Discord group because this is where you get my buy and sell calls. You get access to exclusive content that you cannot find anywhere else, and you get to experience weekly live streams that we do inside of this every single Wednesday. So if you want to be a part of that, click the link down below, guys, and join the inner circle. I will see you guys inside of there. Now, let's keep going here. Some more things to cover. Robinhood CEO just publicly embraced meme coins and followed Cashcat. The coin pumped to 150 million, turning early holders into millionaires. We are so back, gents, and that gets us into the first crypto that we are going to be talking about today. The first crypto that I have for you guys on the Robinhood exchange, or the Robinhood chain, shouldn't be a surprise. Listen, if you guys are trying to figure out, first of all, how to go ahead and buy these, I literally made a video on it just the other day. So go through my videos and click the last one, guys, because I made a video covering exactly how to pick up these meme coins. Now, Cashcat, this is the one that really is kind of leading the charge for the Robinhood meme coins, Robinhood chain. This thing is bringing in so much volume right now. It is absolutely insane. Let's take a look here. If we go over to just type in Cashcat over here, it is bringing in so much volume. In the last 24 hours, volume is up 13% to $50 million. It's a $165 million meme coin, and with highs of 227 million, had a little bit of a pullback. And hey, listen, not financial advice, but if you guys are looking for an opportunity to load up, just keep in mind this is down 26%. A lot of the people that got into this project early have literally turned into millionaires overnight. Okay, this thing has run, and it's run hard. Now, the narrative behind Cashcat is that it was the first name of Robinhood. Before Robinhood came into existence, the name that it was called before was literally Cashcat. So it's an origin story, and a lot of these kind of meme coins that are focused around the origin story of a certain exchange, or for example, the pet of the CEO of that exchange, they tend to do well. They tend to do pretty good, and they're evergreen meme coins. So Cashcat, in my opinion, could be just one of those plays that hold up and do really well. You can see here a trader has turned $85 into $2 million on Robinhood chain. According to Bubble Maps, a wallet bought Cashcat within 30 minutes of launch and is now up 27,000x. Position peaked at 2.3 million, and he's still holding 78% worth after taking $1.2 million in profits. It doesn't just stop there. Look at these like successful stories overnight. Okay, someone turned $316 into 2.17 million on Robinhood chain and hasn't sold. It's all with Cashcat. This is the one that's led the way. This is the main one that people think about when they think of Robinhood chain, and that is going to be important. Okay, the reason that is important is because there's not going to be another Cashcat, is what I want to say. This one is probably going to lead the charge for the Robinhood chain. So if you're bullish on any of these other meme coins that we talk about, you indirectly kind of have to be bullish on Cashcat because this one is kind of paving the way for everything else. So definitely take a look at Cashcat. Now, this isn't financial advice, obviously, but again, pretty solid tokenomics, great narrative behind it, and it seems like the project is continuing to be there and show up and come out with posts and announcements and exchange listings. That is the biggest part. So yeah, guys, definitely Cashcat is on that list. The next meme coin on the Robinhood chain that I'm taking a very close look at, that I've actually sent out an alert as well inside of my Discord, guys, is called Hoodie. Now you can see here, okay, it is the first coin on Robinhood that launched with BankerBot. Now BankerBot is very interesting. If you guys don't know what that is, I made a video about it as well. Basically, this AI agent type of thing where you're able to launch different things with it. Launched by OF Jake. Okay, that sounds like OnlyFans, but it's not. Who is followed by many OGs, including Vitalik, Clanker, Jesse, and he is pushing Hoodie hard. Okay, he has this page over here. Boom, 0F Jake, Hoodie Dev. The hood stays on. Actively. So okay, boom. Jake is airdropping Hoodie a bit like Ansem does with Ansem token. Only been live for 2 hours. This is just my conviction. I'm choosing to hold even with 20x profit. I might be wrong. Now this project has gone up significantly since that time, and it's sitting at around $1.96 million, just under $2 million right now, guys. It is, in my opinion, it's another safe, well, not safe, right? I don't want to say any meme coins are safe, but again, it's backed by a really big player in this space, and I kind of like the narrative, right? The Hoodie stays on. The website looks phenomenal. Hoodie launched on July 8th, trading on Robinhood chain, the ETH layer 2. That Robinhood itself brought to mainnet a week earlier on July 1st, before the tokenized stocks and DeFi apps have settled in. Meme coins moved on to the new chain and set up camp. Hoodie was one of the names that stuck. The token trades on Uniswap and is pooled against WETH with the pair track live on Gecko Terminal. There's no pre-sale deck, no vesting schedule, and no promise of a listing. It is a chart, a mask, and whoever is awake enough to hold through the candles. Now, it does seem pretty cool, guys. Now let's take a look about the dev, okay? He's a builder who has spent the last few cycles shipping small on-chain experiments rather than one big roadmap. His best-known project is QR Coin, the on-chain attention machine, which runs a daily on-chain auction where the winner gets to point crypto-native attention to add a link of their choice for a day. Alongside QR Coin, Jake has built Base Colors and Condo and hosts a podcast and newsletter where he writes about building in public on-chain. Hoodie picked up this mascot silhouette, the hood up, head down, eyes on the chart look, and turned it into a token the moment Robinhood chain opened its doors. It does seem pretty good. It does seem like a pretty solid play right now, guys. But again, these are all meme quotes. These are all speculation. And it isn't like, oh, this is 100% going to pump to the moon. I just think the narrative is there. I think it's backed by a pretty cool person that has a lot of credibility in the space. Let's take a look. It's a fair launch meme coin created by Jake. It quickly became the chain's unofficial mascot, backed by a strong community. It has gone through memes, games, NFTs, merch, and community tools. However, it dropped to 600,000 because Dexter did not support Uniswap v4. After they added the support, it quickly recovered to 2.5 million. And not to mention, it was one of the most searched coins in the past 3 hours. Literally today, you got Hoodie even beating Cashcat and even Pudgy Penguin. So again, at number 2, I'm putting Hoodie up there. I think it's another solid play, and this is the second meme coin out of the top 3. Now, last but certainly not least, but the lowest market cap out of this list is going to be one that I think fits the narrative of Robinhood Chain honestly really well. When I think of Robinhood, for some reason, I just think of the Fox, right? Now, this right here is Robinhood Fox, okay? Stealing from Wall Street, giving back to the trenches. The Fox of the trenches. Why the Fox? Robinhood was built to give power back to the people. The Robinhood legend was always been at the heart of its identity, has always been at the heart of its identity. Robinhood Chain deserves its own mascot, the Fox, the most iconic embodiment of Robinhood. The bag changes hands. From Wall Street, Robinhood takes it and he brings it to the trenches. And that's kind of what it feels like we're in right now. Having the opportunity to trade these meme coins does feel a little bit like we're in the Wolf of Wall Street movie. Now, excuse me, guys, let's take a look at why I think Fox could potentially do well. Again, it's fairly new. It hasn't been out for too long. Just a bunch of green candles towards the upside. Hit about almost $1 million today, but this thing has been pumping and pumping hard, and I think it looks good. It has a really good narrative. The artwork seems phenomenal, and it's getting some really good coverage. It's starting to pick up some traction over on X as well. Let's take a look. Fox rallies on Robinhood Chain as traders bet on the narrative that the Fox is the most iconic symbol associated with Robinhood. You can see here, Will Insider actually posted this, who has tons of followers, 672,000. Every cycle comes in a different season. We had Base, we had Tron, all had memes that ran to billions. The key is getting in when the chain first starts gaining popularity, identifying the main runners of the cycle, and you can easily make millions. I'm betting on Fox on Robinhood. This is probably the most obvious narrative on Robinhood chain because the fox has always been the most recognizable embodiment of Robinhood. Just sitting at, again, this was at 350K market cap, now sitting at 763. And again, some listings coming out for Fox as well. Robinhood listed on CoinMon. I can't wait to see the future for this one as well. But as always, remember, guys, this is not financial advice. I can't come on here with a good conscience and say that all these are great investments because they are meme coins, and meme coins are speculative. Now, I wouldn't invest more than McDonald's money into a lot of these plays, as a lot of these cryptos are going to be worth zero one day, right? Just keep that in mind. But with that being said, there's so many opportunities out there. Hope you guys are able to take the biggest advantage of all of them. And if you want some more guidance, if you want to be a part of my inner circle, link is in the description, guys. Go ahead, click it and join, and you'll get all of my buy and sell alerts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a beautiful Sunday. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.